Okay, this is what I got shoveled on the deck again. I had to take some of this snow here and put it there so I could put more snow here. And I already shoveled all this once. And look at how deep that is. And it don't look like the plows have been here. I don't even know if I can make it out of the driveway. Look at how deep that is. And I've already shoveled once. It's just coming down. And I had a path to the barn there, garage. You can barely even see it. Can't hardly see out there into the field. A little bit better than what it was this morning now that it's daylight. But alright, I gotta get busy. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to make it into work. Alright, everybody be safe. Later.